So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to create this wonderful landing page using just a few lines of HTML and CSS code, and there is no JavaScript, so no need to worry. And yeah, I will explain you how I add the background image inside this text. Okay, and this website is fully responsive and I will explain you step by step. Okay, so no need to worry. First I will start with the refresh page. As you can see the animation, let me show you again. Okay, so this animation I will explain how I do it without JavaScript, and this hover effect with this text without with the background image. Okay, and this contact button. Okay, so now it's time to check the responsiveness, so let's get over it. So guys, for the responsiveness I am using a Chrome extension. Okay, so you can also use it. I will provide you the name of this extension in the description, or I can tell you the name is, I think, Mobile Simulator. Okay, so no need to worry, just check it out. And you can see this is responsive also. When you see tab, let me show you. Yeah, so in tab it look like this, but that is, I think, wonderful, and you can check it out. This is fully responsive, so no need to worry. Just watch the full video and I will just explain the every step how I do it. Okay, so let's start this video without any delay with an intro. First, create an index.html file. Inside this HTML file I am going to just add the format and rename the title as, I'm going to give save animals. Now move to body section, but before that I am going to make this website using live server so that you can check the changes that is happening. Okay. Yeah, so in the body section first we will create a div and name the class name main. Inside this main I'm going to add a nav bar, so nav tag. Inside this nav tag add a container name logo, and inside this logo just I'm going to add the name. Okay, now I have to add one more thing, that is links. So create a container. Inside this links I'm going to add this a tag hyperlink, and I'm going to give only 3 links. You can give as many as you want. Okay, so just that's fine. When I just save these changes, yeah, you can see. Now move to section. I'm going section name home. Okay, inside this section I'm going to create 2 containers, that is content, and the second one is image. Inside this image I'm going to give the main image src, as you can see, this one. And the inside the content I'm going to give h1 tag. Inside this h1 the first text will be save. Let me just get it. Yeah. And the next one will be wildlife. Okay, I am going to rename this wildlife as image text class name, because I have to add image inside this text. Okay, now move to other one, that is a paragraph, that is Dora. Okay, and a button, that is contact. Contact us. And I think you already know about all of this. Okay, so we directly move to style.css, and if there is any queries or anything that you don't understand, you can just comment below, or if I think you don't know, then I will just explain this way. style.css. Inside this style.css, let's start with the style, that is with the universal tag, that is padding 0, margin will be 0, font family will be sans serif, and box size 400. Now move to body section. So inside this body tag, I am going to give width 100%, height will be 100 VH, display will be flex. I am going to just make sure that every element will be in the center. Okay, yeah, now I think it's in the center, and yeah, I have give overflow. So, overflow. Okay, yeah, and one more thing, this never, yeah, that is already written. Yeah, so we have to add image also, so I'm going to give background image, that is URL. Inside this, just add background.jpg and move to that main container that I have created, this one. Okay, so inside this main container, just add width will be 90% and height will be 90%. Okay, now you can see, and then border radius will be 30 pixel, and then backdrop filter, that is blur, which I'm going to give 4 pixels, that is enough. As you can see, there is blurriness. Okay, let me give a border so that you can see it completely, it is solid green. Now as you can see, this is our border area, means male, and here there you can see a blur effect is occurring, that is due to this backdrop filter. Okay, now move to after me, we have to style the navbar. Okay, so inside this navbar, I am going to give width will be 8%, height will be 8 VS, and display flex direction, sorry, not flex direction, that is justify content will be space around. Okay, so as you can see, these texts are completely separated. Okay, now we have to wait a second, just add the color also, that is white. Okay, and one more thing, we have to align this also, so align item will be center. Now move hyperlink, that is name and a, where color will be white, and margin will be 0, what do we say, 0 20 pixels, yeah, 20 pixels is enough, and remove this text decoration, that is enough. And when we hover, I want that this text decoration is visible, so I'm going to add border bottom, that is 2 pixel solid white. Okay, so when I hover it, you can see up effect. Now move to this section area. Okay, so going to this section, first I'm just increasing the size so that you can see changes. Yeah. So move to this section area, where width will be 100%, height will be 80 VS, that is enough, and display will be flex, justify content will be space only, and align it center. Okay, as you can see this image, so we will style this image later, but first we will first we will just style this image so that we don't get any issues regarding this image. So section image, I think width of 50% is enough. Then section dot image that is 100%. So we make changes here in the section image area, and the changes will occur in the image. Now it's fine. Now we have to just style this content area with. Let's move to here, that is section dot content. Inside this content I am going to be padding, that is 50 pixels. Width will be 55% is enough. Okay, we have to give just 40%. And display flex direction will be column. Justify content center and align item will be start. Okay. Now move to content. Inside this content, first style with h1 tag, heading first h1 tag, that is I am going to use font size will be 4RE. Okay. That is enough, but I want to increase the size of file life, so I have added a class name here, as you can see, image text. So I'm going to style this text. Inside this image text, font size will be 8RE. That is fine. Wait a second, let me just increase the size first. Yeah, now you can see changes clearly.